Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you what happens when I post one of my GPT-4 articles onto a domain that already is considered to be authoritative in the eyes of Google. This is IsuiT, and I have talked briefly about this website before, but I wanted to talk a little bit more about this website because you guys know me and I've been experimenting in the background with writing 3 blog posts every day using GPT-4, using my methods, and just seeing what happens. Basically, 2 men, I may have made a bit of a mistake. Ever since I posted 17 blog posts in one day, the traffic has been stabilizing at about 150 to 200 clicks every day. You may say that's pretty good, but considering we were at 300 clicks before, I definitely consider it to be a big down drop. So I wanted to talk about something else today instead, which is IsuiT and what happens if you post 3 blog posts a day to a reasonably strong website. And I think you'll be impressed with the results. First things first, I haven't changed my method at all. The method is exactly the same. I basically write an article. I'll leave a link to one of my videos in the description, which shows you how to create listicles just like this. And honestly, the results are pretty damn good. This growth from ISU is really, really promising. This was actually a record day. When I joined the company, they were getting about 100 clicks per day. And now we have a new record of 1,246 clicks in one day. And that is pure organic. And that is purely because of my SEO work. So what I'm going to do is, well, first of all, I should change the language to English so that I don't get 150 comments saying I don't understand this video because some things were in Italian. And then also, look, this is for the people who complained about the last video. I'm going to make my camera a little bit smaller. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on new page. And you may have seen some of videos like this before that I've made. We're just going to analyze the results of these blog posts. Now, first thing I want to show you is this blog post was released on the 20th of April. Okay. The next day, the 21st of April, it already got 6 impressions, which is very, very good. That is above average, okay? Normally it takes 3 or 4 days for 2 men, and even after that 3 or 4 days, after 2 days, to have 77 impressions, and it looks like it might be stabilizing around 77 impressions, that is incredibly good, okay? It's extremely good, in fact. And the keywords here are very, very good as well. Luxury jeans brands. That is such a good keyword for us. I cannot understate this. 59 in a week, okay? That is 12, 11, 14, 10 per day. That is extremely good. I don't even know the average position, but it looks like it's floating. It's at about 7. If this goes to 1, which I strongly believe this will eventually go to 1, you can see that we're onto a winner here, and this is a very, very good strategy for IsuiT. So that's the first one. This was top 10 jeans brands. This is a perfect article because we need to sell more jeans. So that is exactly what I'm doing here. This website is built on Magento. It's not the fastest website in the world, but it has the authority. It has backlinks from years and years and years of just being known in the business. If you are in classic menswear, you know the name of IsuiT, okay? And that's what's giving us the authority. I haven't built any links or anything like that. It's just IsuiT is a very known entity in the business. So let's move on to the next one. The best Italian designer bag brands, and we'll just see how it's doing. I actually don't know how well or how badly any of these are doing. I know that they're all indexed. Oh, that's even higher. 149 impressions every day. After 2 days after posting 110 impressions. That is impressive. That is super impressive. So this kind of puts to bed the idea that there's been a lot of talk recently about GPT-4 having a watermark, okay, an AI watermark, which basically means that the content won't rank because Google can see that it was written by GPT-4 because OpenAI have put something in the in the metadata of the article or something, which for me doesn't even make sense, that says it's written by AI. You can see this was all written by AI. I promise, I swear on anything, I swear on my life that I wrote this with GPT-4 using the playground, using the methods that I've shown you over and over and over. I am not lying about this. This is a genuine way to grow your website. Now, Two Men, like I said at the beginning, I did make a mistake and I am trying to resolve that error. And just to be fully transparent, I will show you what Two Men's doing. I am really disappointed by this. I mean, it's not the end of the world. I don't need to be this hard on myself, to be honest with you. But clicks are down, okay? And it was basically from when I started posting ridiculous amounts of content. All of that content, like basically the last 50 articles, 60 articles, none of them are ranking, okay? And that's because I was posting 5, 6, 7, 8, and up to 17 articles a day. A lot of people are saying that doesn't affect it, blah, blah, blah. But if you think about it, writing in certain niches, you can't write more than a few articles per day. Even if you have a team of writers, it's extremely difficult, okay? So it works for some people, posting 1,000 blog posts a day, whatever. For me, personally, I found that it's not working and I am reassessing, okay? So what I'm doing on Two Men, I'll have another video about this, but what I'm doing on Two Men is I'm posting less content and I'm linking to the pages that I made recently that aren't ranking, okay? But with IsuiT, it seems like a very good sweet spot to just post 3 listicle style articles every day. So the biggest we've had so far is 660 impressions. This is 546. This is pretty standard, like up, down, up, down. It looks like it didn't start ranking on Friday. It started ranking properly on Saturday. The clicks here seem pretty good. How many clicks is that per day? 9 clicks per day. Wow, 15 clicks in a day, 2 days after it was posted. Now that is very good. That is very, very good. Okay, you can say what you want about AI Wow, that's really good. You can say what you want about AI content, but that is incredibly, extremely good. It looks like this might be rank number 1. Let me just go on Ahrefs and I'll show Ahrefs at the end of this video. Let's just get through what we're doing first. This looks like it's doing very, very well. The last number was 122 impressions with 9 clicks. A good tip that I have talked about before is if you want to know whether the growth is consistent, what you can do is you can click here and put most recent date, and you can see if that number beats that number, okay? So the impressions are down on the most recent date, but the clicks are looking good. And yeah, we'll see what happens with impressions basically, but the clicks are looking very, very strong for this particular article. I'm going to look at these articles in Ahrefs in a moment, but let's just see what how these ones are doing as well. So these ones I posted 4 days later, so I'm expecting there to be less impressions. Yep, significantly less impressions. This is a bit of a fail, to be honest with you. The best Italian dress shirt brands of 2023. I was expecting this to do better. It might be too early. What we can do is we can do most recent date. Clicks are up. Impressions are down. Shirt brands would be an amazing keyword to pick up. Average position 6. Let's have a little look at countries. Sorry if I'm going too quickly, guys. I'm just really, really quick at doing things like this. You can slow down. You can rewind if you want to see what I'm clicking on to get my results, basically. Okay, so that one seems like a bit of a fail, to be honest, but it might be too soon. So we'll have a look at these two. If these two are also failing, then it's probably too early. But I mean, the other ones did rank very, very quickly. Looks like these just started ranking. What's the date today? Oh yeah, no, it is definitely way too early, I think. I think it is too early, but we'll try the last one anyway. This was the most luxurious suit brands. I'm expecting this to do well in the end. And then this is less of a listicle article and more of an informational article. So I'm definitely curious to see how this one is doing. Great. So let's click on most recent date just to make sure. Okay, there is something happening here at least. It's not 0 everything. And then one more thing I want to check is the luxurious suit brands on the most recent date. 0, 0, 0, 0. That's not great. We'll see. I'll definitely keep you guys informed in what is happening. But in my opinion, this looks like it's working very, very well. Now let's have a little look at Ahrefs, just because I am curious. You can see again, Two Men has taken a bit of a hit. Two Men is the one at the top, and IsuiT is the one at the bottom, which is experiencing massive growth. I'm going to open organic keywords and organic traffic, and we're going to have a little look to see if any of these articles that I wrote are basically ranking here. So I can't see any of them right now. Let's have a look. I'll pause the video. I'll see if I can find any of them. Oh, look, there, it says new. This is one of the new articles. Yes, it is. What's the keyword here? Italian sneaker brands in America is featured snippet. Let's just check if that's true. I'll quickly show you guys how I check if that's actually true. So we're going to open TunnelBear, which is a free VPN. I've got literally thousands of companies asking me to take a VPN sponsorship, but I'm not. Instead, I'll just continue to use this free one for now until, I don't know, until this one doesn't work properly, I guess. And then you want to go on an incognito when it says RAW. You are now RAR or RAW. You are now browsing from a secure tunnel in the United States. So we're going to search for Italian sneaker brands, press enter. And IsuiT is here. Doesn't look like it's got the featured snippet, so I might be being lied to. Are we in? Yeah, we're in New York. This might be Italian Google though. Let me just go down. That might be why. Let's change the language to English. So let's go on all settings. Click on Lingua and click on English and then press save. Because obviously I'm in Italy, so... Oh, no. Apparently, IsuiT is not number one. However, IsuiT is number two, and that is a beautiful SERP. Look at that. Look at that. That is top-notch, honestly. I'm taking that for my thumbnail, pretty sure. Yeah, I'm really, really happy with the results there. Let's see if there's any more new pages here, just because I'm curious. I don't think there will be, honestly. Oh, wait, I need to disconnect from TunnelBear, otherwise it won't load. Oh, that is another new page, luxury jeans brands. I'm going to do my little dance that I sometimes do at work. Value $31. That's really, really good. You can probably hear it in my voice. I love SEO. I love getting these wins. And to rank for luxury jeans brands, 8 days after posting the article, it's already on Ahrefs. If you know about SEO, you know that that's incredibly good, okay? Obviously, I do have the advantage of using an aged domain, okay, because I do work for a company, etc., but I mean, you still need to make the content, if you know what I mean, and if the content's bad, it's not going to rank. I truly believe the content that I make using ChatGPT is very good content, and it's also very helpful, okay? Let me explain a little bit why I think it's so helpful. If you are an American, for example, or a German person, or, you know, whatever, any nationality, you don't necessarily know about Premiata, okay? This is a little bit ridiculous, but this is a pair of Premiata shoes, okay? I didn't know about Premiata before I started working for the company that I work for. I bought these because they are genuinely amazing trainers. I'm not telling you to don't buy them, okay? I'm not trying to get you to buy them. That's not the point of this. The point is, if you're an American, for example, you might not know about Premiata, okay? So by making these articles, top sneaker brands, where I talk about companies like Premiata, Santoni, Kiton, etc., Giorgio's, maybe not Giorgio's, not a massive fan of Giorgio's, etc., okay? What I'm trying to say is, these articles genuinely are helpful for people who might not know about these brands. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. I really wanted to make this video because the Two Men stuff is slowing down a little bit, and I think I might have screwed up the SEO. I am working on fixing it. I did a couple of things. I bought Fiverr backlinks and I pointed them directly to that domain. I did that intentionally because I wanted to show people how not to buy backlinks, but I think I may have ruined the website a little bit, but we're gonna hope that we can get it back. And the other reason is because I wanted to show that ChatGPT 4 articles rank very, very well if you post them on a decent domain. This will also work with a domain that's new, as long as you limit the amount that you post. Do not post too much. That was a genuine mistake by me, and I do regret it. You can see here, I started working at IsuiT. This is a bit of a flex. I started working at IsuiT in, I think, June 2021. I think I started working. Yeah, June 2021. So we went from an average of 2,000 traffic. At one point we were getting, we 10x'd, and now we're 6 times what we were before. That's my flex. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps, and peace out.